fluffy and sweet. Banana pancakes are my favorite treat. Mix, mix, stir the bowl. Cooking is fun when you play your role. Measure, pour, and take your chance. Let's make pancakes, mix and dance. Mash to the dance. First came bananas, yellow and ripe. Mash them up, squish, squash, swipe, swipe. Soft and creamy, sweet and nice. Nature's sugar, no extra spice. Mix, mix, stir the bowl. Cooking is fun when you play your role. Measure, pour, and take your chance. Let's make pancakes, mix and dance. Time to measure. Crack one egg, plop in the mix. Now some flour or oats to fix. Pour in milk, not too fast. A pinch of cinnamon for a tasty blast. Learning moment, measure carefully, one by one. That's how cooking is done with fun. Mix, mix, stir the bowl. Cooking is fun when you play your role. Measure, pour, and take your chance. Little chefs learn as they dance. Stir and cook, stir it round till smooth and light. Heat the pan just right, not bright. Pour small circles, watch them grow. Flip them over, golden glow. Bubble, bubble, time to flip. Use your spatula, grip, grip, grip. Cook and build skills every day. Learning and fun along the way. Mix, mix, we did it today. Fluffy pancakes on the way. Measure, mix, and proudly say, I'm a little chef. Hooray! Sam took a bite with a happy grin. Cooking is learning and I can win. From measuring milk to mixing just right. Banana pancakes made the morning bright.